The 10 most asked networking interview questions. What is the DNS? DNS is the domain name system. It is considered as the devices/services directory of the Internet. It translates the domain names to their corresponding IPs. What is the MAC address? MAC address is the Media Access Control Address. It is a 48-bit or 64-bit unique identifier of devices in the network. It is also called the physical address embedded with Network Interface Card, NIC, used at the data link layer. Compare the hub versus switch. Hub works at physical layer, slower, no software support for the administration, half-duplex transmission mode. Switch works at data link layer, faster and more efficient, full duplex transmission, can be managed. What is an IP4 address? An IP address is a 32-bit dynamic address of a node in the network. An IP4 address has 4 octets of 8-bit each, with each number with a value up to 255. Describe NAT. NAT is Network Address Translation. This is a protocol that provides a way for multiple computers on a common network to share a single connection to the Internet. What is DOS? DOS, or Denial of Service Attack, is an attempt to prevent users from being able to access the Internet or any other network services. Such attacks may come in different forms and are done by a group of perpetrators. One common method of doing this is to overload the system's server so it cannot anymore process legitimate traffic and will be forced to reset. How many IP addresses can a Class B make? With 16 bits total, 216 combinations are possible, yielding 65,536 Class B addresses. An example of Class B IP address is 168.212.226.204, where 168.212 identifies the network and 226.204 helps you identify the HUT network host. What is the main job of the ARP? The main task of ARP, or Address Resolution Protocol, is to map a known IP address to a MAC layer address. What is TCP/IP? TCP/IP is short for Transmission Control Protocol, Internet Protocol. This is a set of protocol layers that is designed to make data exchange possible on different types of computer networks, also known as heterogeneous network. SSH versus SSL, what's the difference? SSL is used for encrypting data in transit between two locations, such as your web browser and the server of a site that you're visiting. SSH is used to remotely log into another computer, for example a web server, and create a secure connection to issue commands via SSH tunneling.